Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add links on Weebly and make them clickable. This is essential for directing your visitors to other pages, external websites, or resources, making your site more interactive and useful. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your home page where you can manage all your websites. Look over to the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed. Now you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once selected, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to open your site in the editor. When the editor loads, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where you'll have access to all the elements and tools needed to customize your website. The Build section is your main workspace for adding and arranging content. To add a link, you first need something to link. In this example, I'm going to add some text and link it to Google. On the left side of the editor, locate the text element and drag it into your website where you want it to appear. Once you've placed the text box, type in the text you want to use. This could be anything like "Visit Google" or any phrase that makes sense for your link. After you've entered your text, click on it to select it. A pop-up menu will appear with several formatting options. Look for the link icon in this menu and click it. This opens up the linking options where you can specify where you want your text to direct visitors. You'll see several options for linking, such as linking to another page on your site, an external website, or even a file. In my case, I want to link this text to Google, so I'll select the option for an external website and type in google.com in the URL field. Once you've entered the link, confirm it, and your text is now clickable. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your Weebly website, making it easy for visitors to navigate to other pages or sites directly from your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.